So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about what actually matters when it comes to getting ranked on Redbubble and getting sales like this. If you're ready for this one, make sure to drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, my name's Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print on demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print on demand shops. If you do happen to be new around here and you haven't already, please do click on that subscribe button with the notification bell switched on. That way you won't miss out on any future videos. I do actually happen to have a free print on demand start guide that's linked down in the description and a paid step-by-step guide for anyone looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing. So for any extra information, the description is definitely the place to go. As for getting into this video, the main reason I decided to put this video together was due to the fact that I was getting a lot of comments where people was asking me what actually mattered when it came to Redbubble. People wanted to know if the titles, for example, was important, if the description was important, the tags was important. They were just asking a lot of things in regards of what can actually help you to rank and get sales. So I put a few points together, 5 points that I'm going to be talking about in this video to hopefully help you understand what actually matters. The first point I'm going to start off with is trends. Now, a lot of people say when they make designs around trends, they don't get sales. A lot of people actually do get sales with trends. I need to mention this because it's very important to make sure you're covering trends if you want to get sales. Obviously with evergreen designs, you can still get sales as well. But overall, it's actually a lot easier to bring in sales with trends, even though trends can have their downside in the fact that sometimes they do fall off. The next thing I want to go into talking about, so the next point in regards of what actually matters, is titles. When people are making their titles on Redbubble, they don't really put too much time into them. A lot of people will put short titles, will not put in a lot of keywords, but it's very, very important to make sure that you are making long line keyword titles that cover obviously the niche you're in and that also cover other similar niches that may be linked to what your designs in relation to. This is very important, mainly because it's not just going to allow you to rank on Redbubble, it will also allow you to rank on the Google search. And obviously a lot of sales do actually come through the Google search, so you need to make sure that your titles have keywords that will allow people to actually find you both through Redbubble and both through Google. The third thing we have here, which is one of the newer things, is descriptions. A lot of people haven't really been talking about descriptions that much, but I've noticed Redbubble have implemented something that's very similar to TeePublic, where your descriptions and the keywords in the descriptions can actually allow you to rank and get found. So what you need to do is very similar to what I mentioned with the title. You just need to make sure that you're putting keywords that are similar to what you have in the title, in the description, in an easy to read way. And I feel like this now slightly helps. Not in a major way, but it slightly helps. So it's something you guys should be looking to do. And the third of the keyword trio is tags. So coming in at number 4, the fourth point is making sure that you're using effective tags. When it comes to using effective tags, there's a lot of different methods that I've spoke about, but the main one I want to focus on today is making sure that you are looking for keywords that are trending and that are linked to your current niche. If you add these things in your tags, you then allow yourself to pop up in many niches with low competition results. Now, alongside the niches with low competition results that may be trending, you also want to add some keywords for some niches that are a bit bigger. And the main reason I say this is because if you trend in low competition niches and you get sales, Redbubble then pushes your designs to obviously more people, puts them in front of more people, allows you to get onto the first page of some of the bigger keywords, obviously if you are also implementing them in your tags. And to finish us off, going off that, the main thing that you need to do to allow yourself, this is mainly to get more sales and to boost your sales, is to get sales. People ask me if likes or favorites or even follows do anything. I mean, likes and favorites are the same thing, but people ask me if that does anything, if that helps with traffic. At the end of the day, it doesn't. The main thing that matters is sales. So you want to make sure that you do all the things I mentioned before to actually start getting some sales. and then maximizing those sales by making maybe similar designs or getting a design that works and putting it into a sticker pack will allow you to increase your sales. Once you increase your sales, this will then increase your traffic. As to Redbubble, it then shows that you're a proven seller, and that way they then want to advertise you to more people. And these are the things that actually work, things that have worked for me and things that can easily work for you too. I always say, if in doubt in regards of what to do, always look at what other people in your niche are doing, especially people that are the best sellers. Learn from that and obviously do it in your own way. But if you want more information in regards of keywords, tags, and that sort of thing, make sure to watch this video right here as I give you guys more information on that. If you made it to this point, comment down noted, and always remember that everything is rigged in your favor and manifest success.